Alam mo ba na you're currently living on something na you once prayed for or asked for? Maybe hindi lang talaga natin napapansin yun kasi nakafocus tayo sa struggles. And that's normal kasi wala naman talagang buhay na walang struggles. Alam mo, for example, you once asked or pray for a job. Ako, ganun. I once asked and pray for a job. And yet, eto meron work. Though may mga struggles lang din, syempre, hirap minsan sa pagbiyahe, ang gawain din. Pero, this is the life that I prayed for. Hindi na talaga natin napapansin kasi normal lang din naman talaga sa buhay yung mga hirap. Lahat naman, wala namang hindi nag-i-struggle. Kaya nga, minsan nagiging ganun siguro yung perception natin. And it's siguro mag-take time to realize maybe something sa career mo, kahit simpleng bagay lang, yung phone, life situation na meron ka ngayon, at least once in your life, you prayed for that. So basically, at least one prayer you're currently living right now na you once asked. Naman di lang natin napapansin, syempre may mga struggles talaga tayo and lahat naman nahihirapan. Kaya naman gusto ko sabihin na at least now, you're currently living in a life you once asked for or pray for. And I hope hindi man ngayon natin makuha lahat, pero the right time, ilalagay naman tayo sa path kung para saan talaga tayo. Ayun lang, just trust Him.